Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to show the process how anyone can add latitude or longitude in Google Earth Pro in degree, minute, second format or in degree decimal format. If you are not subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get new video notification from my channel. So first of all, what you need to do? First of all, you need to create a folder. I already created a folder called United folder, and then click on this icon called add place mark. Click on it. See that here degree, minute, second format is showing. I want to change the name as YouTube 1 and I am giving the latitude called 22 degree 46 minute 12.76 degree second north, and here 88 I am giving. You can give according to your need and then OK. See that the point is here. In this way, click on this folder or click here and then add point, and I'm naming it as YT2. Okay, then click on OK, and again take a point, move this point or change here. I'm 1. Okay, see that the point is here. In this way you can add point, means latitude longitude point, as degree, minute, second. And if you want to add latitude longitude point as decimal degrees, then you need to go to tools, options, and then change the decimal degrees. Okay, then apply and then OK, and now you can take the point as decimal degrees. See that here the format is given as decimal degrees. I'm changing some 1 and naming it as YT4 decimal degrees and OK. See that the point is here, the 2 point is merged. You can take another point also and change here 6 to 1 2 and OK. This point is also here. We'll take another point here, naming it and then OK. In this way you can add latitude longitude in Google Earth Pro. I think this video will be helpful for you, so like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions about me regarding Google Earth, Google Earth Engine, ArcGIS and another geospatial analysis. And thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much.